Hi, I'm Greg Foss with Blue Diesel, and I'd like to introduce you to our newest dashboard, Patent Focus. This dashboard is to look at the drug market from the perspective of patent information and exclusivity information. Let's start out by saying that we want to see all patents that are expiring in 2019. So first of all, we're going to want to see financials based on that. So we click over here on the year, and then we will go over to our bar chart and we click on 2019. And we want to see things that are expiring in the fourth quarter of 2019. So we click on that. Now we can go down and we can see all the patent information, everything that's expiring in the fourth quarter of 2019. We can also see firms with Medicaid activity, number of prescriptions reported to Medicaid or reimbursed by Medicaid. And then we can see sorted by Medicaid reimbursements, the substances. Let's say we're interested in this particular drug. So we click on it and it will subset it right away, and it'll show you where it fits in with all the patents that are expiring. Some of these patents, which look very promising, don't expire until 2030. We're more interested in this one right here. And we go down. We can see the FDA application holder, and it's Novartis Drug Master filings. Then we can see firms with scripts reimbursed and the average national drug acquisition cost. I might want to know a little bit more about how that drug fits in with this particular manufacturer. So we see the application is held by Novartis. We can click on Novartis down here and drill through to see their firm details. And you see right away that it's on the top of reimbursements and prescriptions. And you see that the Medicaid reimbursements have been increasing over time while the prescription count has been decreasing. That should indicate their average drug acquisition cost is increasing. So we back up to the page over here. We reselect our quarter, and we should be able to see down here that indeed the average national drug acquisition cost has increased by Novartis over time. All right, that's the first scenario. Let's do one more. Once again, I want to see the financials for 2016. I don't want these other years to be calculated in. I just want to see 2016 reimbursements and scripts. But this time, I'm more interested in seeing injectables. Like injections, let's say that are going to expire in 2019 again. But this time, let's take the whole year. I'm not going to drill into it. I'm just because there's only 24 drugs here. So now right here, we can see right away that there's all the applications that are expiring, and all the patents. You can see firms with Medicaid activity and scripts and drug master filings and last year's Medicaid dollars. Like before, we see it's sorted by substance. So let's say we want to look into somatropin. Click on that, and this is where it falls in the list of everything that is expiring. And we go down here. Somatropin is a human growth hormone, it appears. And here are the drug master filings. And over here are the application holders with the FDA. So once again, we can go look at a little more detail. I'm curious where this falls in for Novo Nordisk. And so I can click here and drill through to the firm. And it doesn't appear to have as much of an influence or as much of an impact that patent's expiring for them because it's a smaller drug. There you go. That was our Patent Focus Report. If you have any questions or any ideas for improvement or would just like to reach out to us, feel free. I appreciate you listening. Thanks.